Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got the making of my channel bars. Now this video was sent to me by Backyard Bullion. He's the person that made these channel bars for me. You might have already seen this video because he's also uploaded it to his YouTube channel. Really pleased with how they turned out. They both weigh 1 full ounce of silver. They both say 365 days of silver on them. And if you've seen my previous video, you'll know that these are going to be given away to 2 of my subscribers. The first one will be given away when I hit 500 subscribers, and the second will be given away when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to let the video play now of them being made. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.